Hello, and welcome to Creating Pre-Recorded Lecture Videos. I am Lisa Maipa, your facilitator for this topic. Creating a pre-recorded video might be daunting. You might not know where to start. But fear not. Now that you have equipped yourself with creating stunning slideshow presentations, I will now teach you how to start creating your pre-recorded lecture videos. So let's start. Hi, I'm Teacher Lisa. Before you begin creating your video, you should know where to start. On my right are the process in creating your pre-recorded video, and to my left are the things you might want to consider before publishing your work. First is to create a plan. Then set a clear learning objective. Determine your audience. Add image and narration. Set up your equipment, and set up your background and record. First is
Communication is the encoding, transmission, and decoding of information. Breakthroughs in communication mark turning points in human culture.
Hi. Before uploading or downloading your video, here are a few questions you would want to ask yourself. Hi, Here are some tools I would suggest in creating your pre-recorded videos. Click on each of the icon to redirect you to how these tools are to be used.
Grammarly has become such a lifesaver for me when writing papers because it's essentially like a
Congratulations! You have reached the end of the training on creating pre-recorded lecture videos. It has been my pleasure creating this presentation. I hope you have gained new skills and will be able to create your own videos with confidence. Have a great day!